Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik and in this video I am going to show you my KDP income report for the month of December 2020. I am posting this report very late because I got some personal issues. That's why I was too much busy and couldn't post my income report for the month of December. And during the midst of December I also got some comments regarding KDP report video. You can see here, sir, please, are you going to post December earning? I have been waiting. I love your videos. They are so encouraging. So keeping this in view, I am posting my income report for the month of December because it may encourage or inspire someone to work on his or her KDP journey. So firstly, we will be looking at the unit ordered per day. So just I need to sort it by December, and that is here. You can see here it started slow. 15, 13, 8 units, 16 units, then 17 units, 9, 20 units, 48 units on December 8. Sometimes it happens that KDP doesn't post your sales on daily basis and they collectively post the sales on some days. So it may be sales here and they posted on December 8. 23 units, 22, it is pretty consistent. 18, 19, 26, 17, and here is distribution, expanded distribution units file also included here. 16 and 7, 22, 14 units, 16, 12, and here December 20 I got another very good day, that is 51 units, 14, 24, and here come the holiday period, 7 units, 3 units, 0, 7, 5, 17 on December 28, 18 units, 11, and 5 units. So let's go to income report of, that is get book report. This is the earning for the month of December 2019. So during December 2019 I earned $609, and let's check out our December income for the month of December 2020. And you can see here it's loading. So it is 960. It is actually 975 or 71. It is showing a bit low. So you can see here from the graph $89, and here is my biggest day, I think, for the year 2020. 101, and here you can also see, earning by book, and one book is bringing more than 70 or 80% royalties. That is my bestseller. And here you can see earning by marketplace, 85.1% by Amazon.com, 7% on Amazon Canada. I started running ads on my books on Amazon Canada. 7% from UK, 0.8 from which marketplace this is, and 0.1%. So let me show you my total sales. 517 sales. This might be 525. Getbook report is showing a bit lower numbers. So overall I made around, I just touched 1k mark. And this is, now let's look at the expenses. This is only income, not profit. So let's just have a look on the expenses. Firstly, I have some subscription, that is Creative Fabrica, that is $9, and I ran ads on Amazon.com, that is $40.87. So 40.87. Amazon UK was $4.65 and Amazon Canada was, let me show you my ACOS, that is 19.63. I just stopped running ads and I was trying to save money, so I stopped running ads during December. So on UK 3.39 pounds but no sales during the month of December, and on Canada $13.44 and 98 sales with the A cost of 13.59. so subscription $9, 40.87, and total cost is $65 almost, and income was 96082.82. So after expenses, my profit was $895. So this is my earning for the month of December 2020, $895.79. December was low as I was expecting around 1.5k, but I hardly touched $1k per month. So you can see here my expenses were very low. I ran very fewer ads, and if I managed to run ads for $100 or $200, my sales could have been 1.5k or something around. So this is all from me today, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.